Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review is this set of vacuum bags. So these things are nice for putting in your clothes for traveling or just for storage. Vacuum them up and then they take up less space, and it makes them nice and watertight so that if anything gets spilled, you don't have to worry about them getting wet. This also came with its own little vacuum device, which is really nice because you'll just be able to throw this in your suitcase, your travel bag, whatever you got, and then be able to reseal these when you get where you're going so that you can bring them back home. This kit did come with 18 bags. It came with 6 of the small, 6 of the medium, and 6 of the large. So I'm going to be using the smallest, which is the 29-inch bag. I'm going to fill this with clothing, and then I'm going to vacuum it and see how much it compresses. The cat's going to get in the way. Hi, buddy, I love you. You can't go in that bag. All right, so I put 4 large sweatshirts in here, and it came with these cool little grippers to help make sure the Ziploc seals real well. I'm going to push that across and zip it closed. And then we're going to remove the cap, put on the vacuum, and remove all the air. And now you can see it's much smaller. Also, if I take this camping or something, I don't have to worry about my clothes getting wet or getting any kind of smells or sticky stuff on them, and it should work really good. As I said, this was the 29-inch. There's a 39 and a 34-inch sizes, and there's 6 of each of those bags, so plenty of storage. You could fill your whole closet up and have all your clothes stored. So we were traveling, and I brought the vacuum bags, and check this out. I got 2 pillows in this one, 2 blankets in this one, and then in here, I got all of my clothes from the trip that were in 2 bags compressed into one. And this is going to save us so much space in the vehicle, guys. I actually love these.